Hello everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints. I, in the last video, made this really fun trifold journal. So I showed how to make this using fabric. And since then, I went ahead and put in the signatures. And so let me show you kind of how I did that before I get started. So in this back spine, I did a signature in the center, and then that folds over. And then in this signature right here, let me show you from above. So I actually placed it a little more toward the front of that spine because I'm gonna have this piece there in the way. So I wanted to just kind of make sure they didn't stay in each other's way too much. And I also just added some Velcro tabs here, and I added some lace along the spine here to kind of hide that waxed thread a little bit from putting in the signature. So anyway, I just had some fun ideas of embellishing this journal, so I thought we'd get going. First of all, I should show you, this is kind of a thing that I've been liking. And that is a way to hide, oh, these scissors are done. And that's a way to hide the thread inside your journal. And that is to make this envelope right there on that middle signature so that when you fold up the bottom of the envelope, then the strings will be inside and you won't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. I'm just kind of eyeballing where that goes, and then I'll probably just do a little crease right here just to make sure I'm really getting the edges good. All right, so there is our first one, and I also have one in this signature, just the other direction. Let's see, I hope I'm not, okay, I'm not coming too far over. I just don't want to glue that envelope shut. That wouldn't be helpful. So we're just making sure we're getting the edges. There we go. And there's another one. So I'm gonna let those dry and we'll think of something to put in them. Let's see, so for now, I just wanted to work on one little project, and we'll kind of keep this in smaller pieces of projects so it's not too overwhelming. But I have these really fun stacked pockets in the August subscription kit. You could really do it with anything, but this is what I wanted to use for today's fun little project. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of deconstruct everything, and I'm gonna show you two fun different ways that you can put these right into your journal. So we need to find a page that we like these on. That could work. I think I like it kind of that fun little green theme. So let's go ahead and put this one on this page. So you could put them stacked directly on top of each other, which is what I'm gonna go ahead and do for this one. So all you need to do is a tiny bead of glue around those three edges. On mine, for this piece, I printed on the 110-pound cardstock. It's not exactly straight, but that's okay. All right, and then for the smaller pocket, just again do the same thing on those three sides. And just line that up. So keep in mind you could do these sideways. I mean, really, there are a lot of options. So on the front of this, I want to put this fun little fussy cut, but I want to leave it open so that this can be just a tuck right in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of eyeball where I needed to glue that, and then kind of go ahead and create that tuck. And that can go off the edge and it will kind of add a fun little dimension to that. There we go. And then we can just tuck that in, which will be just be a little extra fun thing. All right, let's see. So now we have these two little cards, a smaller one and a medium-sized one. There is one bigger pocket, but because I made this journal because I wanted it to be kind of a smaller scale journal, then that big pocket really would come up to the very top, which you could do if you wanted. I just figured 2 pockets would be enough for this page. So these are kind of created to just go right there. And we have one more for this one. And that's gonna go right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and center that. All right, that's gonna dry for 2 seconds, and I wanna put some stamping on here. So I just kind of think some numbers would look cute on it. So I'm just gonna use my Stampers Anonymous from Tim Holtz, because he has some tiny little numbers in this set that I'm hoping will be just perfect on here. So let's see. I think these ones will work. They're gonna be very tiny, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put, let's see, do I want black? I think I'm just gonna do a straight up black ink. And I only wanna get it on that first number. And because they're so tiny, I don't feel like I need to get my stamper acrylic block, but you could if you wanted. So I'm gonna try to center that, and I'm just doing number 74. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute that turned out. Oh, can you see it? There we go. So cute. All right, now I don't want that one on the next one because it has number 84 next. So I'm gonna get rid of that ink and make sure there's nothing on there. Then I'm gonna have to somehow carefully kind of ink that number 84 without getting it on the other ones so much. All right, center that and press into that. They are so cute, you guys. Ah, Tim Holtz is a genius. All right. And then these can go just tucked into these tiny pockets. And the fun part is those cute little labels are going to still be visible. So that will just be fun. Look how cute. So, so cute. All right. Now I do have one more set of these that I want to, oh, look how cute. You know what, I might just do some fun stamping. Let's just try it. I don't know, once you get started on stamping, don't you just kind of want to go forever? All right, this is a cute one. I think I just want to put it like, oh, it's going right there, I guess. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. There we go. Oh, so cute. So, so cute. All right. Cute, cute. All right, so I have one on that half of the signatures. So I want to come over and find a spot on this half that I'd like to put the other. I'm thinking it might be fun. The next one I have is pink. Like so. But I want to show you that you can do something a little different with these. I haven't inked these cards. And these are just meant to be journaling cards. You can just write a little thought here, or you could put a cute little picture there, which would be adorable. I'm trying to find better ways to incorporate pictures into my journals, so that would be a really cute way. All right, so you could stack them again directly on top of each other, but how fun would it be to come over here and stagger these pockets? So I'm gonna actually do that for this one. So we're gonna start with that back pocket. I really am loving this mini size journal. It's been really fun to work with. So I'm scooching that over far as I can to that left side to leave room for staggering without getting too much into that crease. There we go. And again, I don't want to be too far into that crease, so there we go. Now, I have on this one these little tabs, but I already put the number sign on them. So we're gonna have to get a little creative here of how we're gonna stamp these, but it'll be really fun. Or you could even just write something in, which would actually be really charming, because that's how it would really look on a vintage piece of ephemera. It would have handwriting. And we're gonna put one on this one. Let's see, I can scoot this up just a hair. Maybe you'll be able to see a little better. There we go. And we'll do one on this one. I love these file folder pockets and having these fun little file folder shaped tags with the file folder arch. It's been really fun to play with. So let's see if Tim Holtz has some teeny tiny numbers still that we can ignore the number part. Okay, we have this one and it has the number in front, but you can go ahead and just not put ink on that part. So I'm getting ink, but only on the number part. And then I'm going to come in here and go ahead and stamp that on. Oh, so satisfying. So satisfying. All right, let's see what other little teeny number we can find here that's going to fit on that blank. We got a huge number, but we don't have to do all of it. Okay, we can do this one. I found one that will work. Oh, it just destroyed my poor stamp. There we go. All right, we're just gonna get these numbers here at the end and not the rest of it. And come right into here. And it might be fun to do it a little tiny bit off center because that happens in the real world. So cute. All right. So we have our two little tags. We'll put one up here and one up here. And isn't that just fun to have them staggered like that? I just think it just adds a fun little extra dimension to it. All right, and on the front of this one, I just wanted to do this cute little collage with a butterfly and some fun little numbers. I just liked the look of it. So let's go ahead and glue down our cute butterfly. Make sure to get those little antennae. So cute. Oh, so cute. And I think it's fun to go over the edge of an item like this, because it just, I don't know, it just adds some pop to that little piece. So don't be afraid of going outside of the lines. And I don't want to go too far out on this one because that crease right there is going to make it a little trickier for that glue to hold that piece down. There we go, so cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and add another fun little stamp to this. So let's see, what would be a fun one? Oh, we have a cute little filed. That would be cute. I would think it would be really cute right here. Oh, look how cute. All right, so let me zoom in for you, but there is one of these stacked pockets. And let me find the other one and show you. I can find where, oh, there it is. And there is the other one. And so you can do totally different looks with the same general supplies. Anyway, one of these is in the July or August subscription kit, and I'll link that below. And the other one is actually a freebie. I'll see if I can find a way to link it below. I'm not sure if I know how to do that, but I will try. If not, sign up for the newsletter and then send me an email and I can get you this cute little freebie, because they're way fun to play with. So anyway, have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching. I love the time that I get to spend with you. So I hope you enjoy that as well and just have a beautiful, beautiful creative day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.